Hi, I'm Mark from ESE Direct. Today we're looking at Stormore mono shelving. Now, mono is called mono because the uprights have a single post arrangement. So there's a single post front and back which are connected with bracing panels, as you can see here. Mono shelving gives quite a high loading for general shelving, and that's achieved because of the forming of the front and back uprights. Rather than it being just a single skin of steel to give vertical strength, the folding and the box section of the upright is where the upright strength and bay strength comes from. So what's it good for? You would use mono shelving in a situation where it's not important to have a side panel, so an open side is acceptable. Where you need quite a high bay loading, so maybe you need to be able to accommodate 1,000 kilograms within a bay of shelving. Mono gives you that strength, rigidity and high load capacity. So Stormore mono is manufactured in the UK in a modern factory using high quality materials. This is a shelving range that you can be really confident in. It's got a high quality powder coat paint finish, and that paint finish has a bactericide built into it to inhibit things like E. coli. When you receive your Stormore mono shelving, it will be delivered in component form. So that will be in upright end frames, shelves and shelf clips, and you can either have it with an open back and cross bracing for left to right stability, or you can have it with a solid back panel. So the standard arrangement has 6 shelves, that includes the top and the bottom, and they're held in place with a metal clip which is just hidden under the corner of the shelf, and those adjust up and down on these punchings into the upright. Those punchings are set at 25mm pitch. The profile of the shelf is 25mm. That allows the shelf to have quite a high weight loading, typically 70 to 75 kilograms can be put onto a shelf, provided that's evenly distributed over the area of the shelf. Now, with all of the Stormore shelving range, there's a range of accessories that are available. These include things like a part height divider. You can also get full height dividers, which go all the way from one shelf right to the underside of a shelf above to help you create compartments. You can also have things like this bin front and pull-out drawers. Installation with Stormore is quick and easy because largely there's no nuts and bolts. The only place that nuts and bolts do appear with the Stormore range is where the diagonal bracing at the back connects to the uprights. Other than that, it's bolt free and clips together. So the best way to install it is with 2 people working together, and a bay like this can be put together quickly and easily. There are 2 standard heights available, one at 1850 and one at 2150. Other heights are available which can be shorter and taller than those that are mentioned as standard. The standard bay width is 1 metre, and there's a range of options in terms of depth, starting at 300 millimetres deep, going to 370, 400 and 450 millimetres. So just to restate that if you're looking for a size outside of those standards, just give us a call and they are likely to be available. In terms of colours, the shelves are in this light grey, and the uprights can be light grey, or there's also a blue option. On special request, you can get other colours such as red and dark grey, and a couple of others also. So that's our Stormore mono shelving. If there are any further questions that you'd like answered, just call one of the technical sales guys and they'll be really happy to help you. The number's on the web page there. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.